all about. Let's get started by saying that we are pretty sure that each one of you watching knows what Amazon.com is. But in the unlikely event that we have someone among you who doesn't, we can easily tell what it is in a few words. Amazon.com is the single largest e-commerce retailer in the world. That's right, Amazon.com is the leading platform in the electronic retailer industry, and millions of people around the globe enjoy its unparalleled quality of service and reach on a daily basis. But is that all there is to know about Amazon.com? Well, while the truth is that Amazon.com has built its reputation around being the most popular superstore that you can find on the internet, it is also true that it is much, much more. And you might find yourself surprised about the things that it has achieved. So let's find out. Transformations. Amazon.com is all about providing the best that it can, be it delivering great service or products, but it is also about empowering people from all walks of life by allowing them to use its unique platform in order to fuel their passion, earn a well-deserved living, and transform their lives. Opportunities. Transforming people's lives is not possible if they are not given opportunities to do so. And that is why Amazon has made its platform available for people that want to unleash their ideas and create something that others can find in the Amazon marketplace. Here, your imagination is the limit. Economic impact. People all around the world are using Amazon to grow their businesses, which has had a positive economic impact not only for the people using the platform to fulfill their dreams, but also on their communities and on the people that they reach through their enterprising efforts. In the community, Amazon wouldn't be as big as it is now if it weren't because of its people, and so the company is putting an enormous effort into giving back to the communities that have helped it thrive, with special consideration to those communities where its employees and customers live. Innovation. Amazon doesn't only want to be the best online store there is, it also wants to make e-commerce and technology better overall for everyone, including its competition. That is why it has introduced innovations such as drone delivery, one-click ordering, and Amazon Fresh. Working at Amazon. Amazon is a workplace that is geared towards pushing for excellence and focused execution. Everyone from builders, inventors, and innovators are invited to experiment and to perform at their best in order to delight customers and to deliver the kinds of services that Amazon is known for. Sustainability. Amazon is on one hand all about making a good profit, but using a good sum of those profits on making this a better world is its real return on investment. That said, Amazon is putting forth great efforts to achieve 100% renewable energy usage for its business. How do you make money with Amazon as an affiliate? There is no doubt that Amazon.com is a money-making monster, not only for its founder, but for everyone involved. Did you know that basically everyone with a computer and an internet connection can make money with Amazon? Well, yes. Amazon.com has a wide variety of options when it comes to using its platform as a money-printing machine. You can become an Amazon seller, you can offer your services, you can sell your own apps, and self-publish your books or music. But there is a more novel approach to money-making offered by Amazon to make what is known as a passive income for yourself. And that is by becoming an Amazon affiliate, which will allow you to make money off selling stuff on Amazon without having to stock products of your own. What is an Amazon affiliate? To understand what an Amazon affiliate is, you need to learn what affiliate marketing is first. And affiliate marketing is nothing but promoting products sold by others in order to drive a sale and earn money by commission. In this case, you will be earning money off of products being sold on the Amazon marketplace. How do you become an Amazon affiliate? Becoming an Amazon affiliate is as simple as going to the Amazon homepage and logging into your Amazon account, then scrolling all the way down to the Make Money With Us section and clicking on Become an Affiliate. How do you make money with Amazon as an affiliate? To make money with Amazon as an affiliate, you will simply have to promote products from the Amazon marketplace. And with over 1 million products available, it should not be hard to find a good product and a ready-to-buy audience for it. And there are lots and lots of product categories that you can promote, from video games to televisions, from PC components to toys and jewelry. What's more, you will be able to promote stuff from broader categories such as Amazon gift cards, digital music, and Amazon devices, with commissions ranging from as low as 4% to as high as 10% depending on the category. Now, how do you promote these items to make money? The answer to that is you have to have multiple channels to promote your offers from, the most popular being affiliate websites, but you can easily use social media pages as well. You can link to any Amazon product by simply grabbing the item URL from Amazon itself, whether from your website or by way of Facebook or Twitter updates, to give you an example. You can also use customized product links to show product information on your affiliate sites, as well as stylish graphical banners. Another stylish and practical way to monetize your Amazon-oriented content are the A-stores, which are simple yet elegant product feature websites to earn affiliate commissions the easiest way. You will only need to offer value to your referrals by creating product-oriented content to guide people into making informed purchasing decisions. Why Amazon affiliate marketing is your best choice. So far, you've been able to see how it is that Amazon.com can be a goldmine for anyone interested in putting in the effort to help Amazon push sales of products in its own marketplace. But you are also aware that Amazon did not invent this business practice. In fact, affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to monetize web content, and there are people out there killing it with what are commonly known as CPA, or cost per action networks, and you might be tempted to try that out too. But the truth is that as good as CPA networks are, they come with their own disadvantages, one of them being how difficult it is to get started on any CPA network. Another disadvantage of promoting CPA offers from these networks is that they sometimes can look spammy. As an Amazon affiliate though, you will have the backing of the most recognizable brand in the online retail space, and people won't think twice on clicking any link that leads to an Amazon product page because everybody loves and trusts Amazon to an insane degree. So let's take a quick look at reasons why Amazon affiliate marketing is the best choice for you. Amazon is a trusted brand. We already mentioned that Amazon is a loved and trusted brand, but how far does this go? Well, Amazon.com is the #1 e-commerce retailer, visited by over 250 million people in any given month. Ask anyone where they last bought something online, and they will tell you that they did it on Amazon. High commissions that add up. With a base rate of 4%, you might think that making money on Amazon would take you a lot of time. But keep in mind that these rates add up with each sale, and the rates can go up to 10% depending on the product category. You earn by each sale, not by product. Basically, every affiliate network out there will pay you only when you make a sale for a specific product or service, but Amazon makes you money for every purchase made by anyone that lands on Amazon through any of your affiliate links. So it doesn't matter if you're promoting treadmills and somebody instead buys a TV through your Amazon affiliate link. You make money off each sale. This means that if someone ends up making a $5,000 purchase through a link leading to a $10 product, you still make a commission off that $5,000 sale. It is easy to set up. Becoming an Amazon affiliate will take you only about 5 to 10 minutes of your time. You will simply need to log into your Amazon account, then sign up to the Amazon Associates program, and you're good to go. The days of waiting a week to be accepted into an affiliate network are over. Besides, it's really easy to integrate the affiliate links to your affiliate sites. Picking a hot Amazon niche. So is your body ready already? Of course it is. It's easy to get drawn in by the possibilities offered by becoming an Amazon affiliate, especially because it allows you the luxury of running a business with the economic benefits of e-commerce without the logistical headaches. But now you might be wondering, how do I get started? Well, as with everything good and profitable in life, you need to start in incremental steps. And you have to start by thinking about what you're going to promote in order to make some good money as an Amazon affiliate. What? Did you think that this would be as easy as just putting a lot of Amazon product links on a website and then calling it a day? Well, good luck with that. Because the first step into becoming a successful affiliate is finding out the type of niche products that are going to make you the most money as an affiliate. Start by checking the advertising fee rates. We recommend you take a look at the advertising fee rates associated with each product category before picking a niche to promote, because these fee rates combined with the price of your final sales will determine the final commissions that you earn through your Amazon affiliate sales. To find these advertising fees, simply go to the Amazon Associates homepage at affiliateprogram.amazon.com and click on Advertising Fees. Scroll down to the Fixed Standard Program Fee Rates for specific product categories, where you will find the current fee rates for specific product categories. As you can see, fees vary from category to category, and some are higher than others. This will be important in one of our next steps. Find popular and best-selling categories. A good starting point is to simply select to promote niche products that belong in very popular categories. A good way to find popular categories and bestseller products is by going to amazon.com/bestsellers, where you will find up-to-date and real-time information about which products and niches are the most popular among Amazon customers. You shouldn't be surprised to learn that the most popular niche products are consumer goods and everyday products from categories such as clothing, electronics, pet care, baby care, personal care, appliances, automotive, fitness, sports, and home improvement. And you can find these popular categories listed on the left side of the page. An easy way to figure out when products in a niche are selling like hotcakes is when their categories are featured on Amazon's bestseller section, such as in the case of the electronics category here, which we're going to check. Look for high-priced products to promote. Once you find a cool, popular category, make sure that there are actually products that can make you a fat and steady profit in there. You see, there are two approaches to earning by commission as an affiliate. You either earn by selling tons of low-priced products, or you earn big by selling high-priced products. Take, for example, that you decide to promote cheap Bluetooth headphones just because they sell fast. But have in mind that a low-priced product won't make you much relative to the product's fee rate, and that most of these items are bought directly from the marketplace. The best approach, then, is to find a niche with high-priced items. In our case, we're going to select home theater systems as our niche because home theater systems are some of the most expensive items found in the electronics category. Another benefit of picking high-priced niche products to promote is that people spending high amounts of money on a single product like to make informed purchases, and they tend to search for information on multiple sites before deciding over a product, which will direct organic search engine traffic to your affiliate site. Another benefit is that high-priced items are bought by a portion of the population with good spending power, which means that people buying one of your expensive products are also likely to buy something else through your affiliate link, making you a larger commission. Selecting some hot products to promote. So by now you surely are all pumped up about becoming an Amazon affiliate, and with good reason. You have seen how easy it can be to find good niches to promote when you know how to do it right. And we wouldn't be surprised to know that you already found the ones to promote on your Amazon affiliate site following the steps that we taught you in our past video, but we are not done with that just yet. You see, once people find a good niche to promote, they tend to think that it will be enough to just review lots of products on their niche of choice, put the links in, and call it a day, but you will hardly make good money by doing so. This is why in this video, we're going to show step by step the strategy behind selecting the hottest products in your niche. Bestseller lists are the key. The Amazon list of bestsellers is a great source of information about what you should promote as an Amazon affiliate, especially because these bestsellers lists will tell you which products are top sellers in the marketplace. Another benefit of looking at these bestseller lists is that you will be getting up-to-date information about hot-selling products, so you can be aware of which products are trending so you can leverage their traffic. How can you select hot products to promote from the bestsellers lists? In our previous video, we showed you how to easily find a bestseller section for all product categories by going to the Amazon.com/bestsellers URL. From there, you can easily find which of the hottest products are both in your niche and in your niche's category. The way the Amazon bestsellers page is designed will make it easier to find the hottest products in your niche's category first. Start by going to the link leading to your niche's category on the left. In our case, we click on electronics. Here you will be able to find every bestseller product on every other niche from your niche's category. You will be able to locate your niche on the subcategory menu on the left, in our case, home audio and theater. Note how you will find every best-selling product from the subcategory, but because you need to find the products in your niche, you will have to look on the left side menu. In our case, we click on Home Theater Systems. Now let's click on Complete Home Theater Systems, because those are the high-priced products that we're going to promote on our affiliate site. Remember that these will vary depending on the products that you select. Finding the top performers in your niche. Once you find the best-selling products in your niche, you will be able to sort them out and select the hottest ones from the hot new releases, most wished for, and gift ideas lists found in the bestsellers section of your high-priced niche product. The hot new releases lists can give you ideas about new products that can be marketed to people that are always on the lookout for the newest products and gadgets. These lists are especially good if you are promoting electronics, video games, and smart devices. The most wished for lists can give you a very good idea about purchasing intent because these items are always added to wish lists by people that are going to buy these items on a later date, making these products worthwhile for promotion. And the gift ideas lists will give you a good idea of what items most people consider to be nice gifts, because these are the items that Amazon users are gifting to others, which you can casually mention on your product promotions. This is the easiest way to find the hottest and most profitable products to promote as an affiliate on the Amazon Marketplace. Creating an Amazon affiliate website. So you've made up your mind about how awesome it is to become an Amazon affiliate and have decided to take your first steps into becoming the best Amazon affiliate that you can by following up on the advice revealed in our previous videos. In this respect, you started looking for a nice niche that you would enjoy promoting and started navigating the Amazon Marketplace up and down in order to find the best and most profitable products that Amazon can offer to its affiliates. But now the time has come to start tinkering with the technical aspects of getting your Amazon affiliates business up and running, and we're talking about creating your Amazon affiliate website with a few clicks. Many people would be tempted to leave this job to someone else, but in this video, we're going to show you how easy it really is to set up an Amazon affiliate website on your own using popular, easy-to-use, and budget-friendly online tools. What are the benefits of creating an Amazon affiliate website? Amazon affiliate websites are a cost-effective and easy-to-set-up method of monetizing online content. Amazon affiliate websites offer a very straightforward way of making affiliate marketing money, unlike traditional affiliate marketing schemes that force you to use intrusive advertising that you will have to cover with your own money. Referrals from your website to Amazon.com will make you money from any purchase they make. Using the Amazon brand name is a great way to monetize the content on your site because it will help you to reach people that are already looking for help making purchases in the Amazon Marketplace. What do you need to create an Amazon affiliate website? Creating an Amazon affiliate website from scratch is a very easy process when you know how to do it. Many people have to sort that out on their own. But in this video, we're going to show step by step how to do it and where to find everything that you need in one place. Domain name. A domain name is simply a string of characters the websites use as their website addresses that you type into your web browser to access. Ideally, your domain name has to resemble your niche, and using keywords related to it to create your domain name will help your Amazon affiliate website rank on top of search engine query results. To get your domain name, you have to buy it from a domain vendor. We recommend you to use HostGator.com because you will also be able to buy everything else you need to create your Amazon affiliate website from there. Start by going to the Domains tab and type your domain name in the Choose Your New Web Address bar and click on Search to check its availability. Once you find a good domain name available, add it to your cart and buy it before someone else does. Hosting. Awesome. Now that you have a great domain name, you need hosting for your website. Hosting service is space on an internet server to upload your website and make it available to visitors from around the world. You can buy excellent hosting service from HostGator.com. Go to the Web Hosting tab, where you will find 3 different hosting plans available: Hatchling Plan, Baby Plan, and Business Plan. We recommend you select the Baby Plan. This one will give you more for your Amazon affiliate business because it will allow you to use it for unlimited domains, to use one-click installs, and unmetered bandwidth. Click on Sign Up Now to check out and get ready to start building your Amazon affiliate website in the following step. Website Builder. You will need a website builder in order to create your Amazon affiliate website the fastest way. Luckily, HostGator provides a nice selection of website builders for you to choose from. Simply log into your HostGator cPanel after you buy your hosting plan to install your website builder. WordPress is our website builder of choice, as well as the choice of a million other Amazon affiliates, because it's very easy to use and allows for simple yet powerful customization for your Amazon affiliate websites. You can easily install WordPress on your Amazon affiliate website from your HostGator cPanel by clicking on WordPress One-Click Installation. Once you do, you will be asked to enter your site setup information. First, you have to select a domain from your domain list in the Select Domain for Installation menu, and then enter the name of your site's directory in the field next to the domain menu and click on Next. Now you have to enter your admin info. Start by entering the name of your site in blog title, and then your admin username in admin user, which is the username that you will use to log into your WordPress site as the administrator. Now enter your first name and your last name. Lastly, enter your admin email, which will be the main email address that you will use to manage your Amazon affiliate site. Once you enter all your information, check the Terms of Service Agreement box and click on Install. A progress bar at the top of the screen will let you know the progress of your WordPress installation. The installation complete message will appear on top once WordPress is installed on your Amazon affiliate site. Here you will also have the credentials to log into your WordPress account, from where you will be able to manage your new Amazon affiliate website. Copy and save your username and your password. To log into your WordPress dashboard, simply add \wp-login.php at the end of your WordPress site URL in your web browser. Now enter your username, your password, and click on Login to log into your new WordPress dashboard for the first time. You are now inside your WordPress dashboard, and it's time to start setting up your site so you can later stuff it with awesome Amazon affiliate product-oriented content. Your Amazon affiliate website is bare bones the first time that you install WordPress, so the first thing that you have to do is find a nice affiliate-oriented theme for your site. You can do this by going to the Appearance tab and selecting Themes. You can look for free affiliate-oriented themes by clicking on Add New Theme. You can use the Search Themes search bar to find themes for affiliates, and we recommend to get started by installing a free theme such as the ReviewGene affiliate theme, which is a widely used free theme used by many successful affiliates. Simply hover over it and click on Install, and then on Activate. Now your site has been installed a nice affiliate theme that you can edit by using the Customize button. Here you can see how cool the theme looks, making it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for, and then some. You can add pages for content categories by using the Pages tab in your dashboard and clicking on Add New. Here is where you will create pages to promote your affiliate content. You can enter the title of your promotional pages in the Enter Title field and the description of the page in the text field below. You can use the Add Media button to insert images and links within the content of your pages. Use the Featured Image section to insert the image that you're going to use as the main image on your pages. Once you are ready to publish a page to post product-oriented content, simply click on Publish. Now to add content to these pages, you have to use the Post tab on the left side menu. Click on Add New, and you will be taken to an editor with similar features on the Pages editor. You will have a title field to title your content posts, a text field to enter your written content, the Add Media button to insert images, videos, and links with your product posts, a Format box, a Categories box to select a category for your posts, and a Tags box to insert tags to make it easier for people to locate your posts using keywords. Use the Publish button to publish content here as well. This is how you will be adding content to populate your Amazon affiliate website. And in our following video, we're going to show you how to create amazing content that will help you boost up your Amazon affiliate earnings.